We strongly believe in the saying, if you don't have an assistant, you are one. Let's face it, doing $6 an hour tasks yourself is like putting a $6 per hour price tag on your time. Our virtual assistants, specializing in social media management, SEO, video editing, and more, are available from just $6 per hour. Schedule a call now via the link in the description.
Hiring front-end developers in India is like scouting artists for a digital canvas. They need to bring both technical precision and creative flair. The demand for front-end developers is skyrocketing, and India, with its vast pool of skilled tech talent, is a prime destination to find the right fit. But how do you go about it effectively? Let's break it down. First things first, clarity. What's the vision for your product? Front-end development is all about creating user experience. So think about the type of platform you're building. Is it a web application, an e-commerce site, or a mobile-first interface? Identify the frameworks and tools you'll be using: React, Angular, Vue.js, or maybe even basic HTML, CSS, or JavaScript if it's simpler project. A clear understanding of your project requirements will save you time and help you zero in on the right candidates. India offers a variety of avenues to find front-end developers. For freelancers or short-term projects, platforms like Upwork, Taptal, and Fiverr are great places to start. For full-time roles, LinkedIn and Naukri.com are highly reliable. If you're a startup or looking to build a remote team, specialized communities like GitHub, Stack Overflow, or local tech meetups can connect you with developers who are both talented and passionate. Now, when it comes to evaluating candidates, technical skills are just the beginning. Sure, you'll want to test their proficiency in front-end languages, frameworks, and tools. But front-end development is also about understanding design principles and user experience. Look for developers who can create responsive, intuitive, and visually appealing interfaces. Practical task work wonders here. Ask them to replicate a sample design or build a simple interactive component. This not only tests their technical skills, but also shows how they approach problem solving and design aesthetics. Communication skills are equally critical, especially if you're working with remote developers. They collaborate with designers, backend developers, and stakeholders to bring a project to life. During interviews, ask their experience working in teams and handling feedback. Clear communication is a huge asset, particularly when working across time zones. Lastly, don't forget the cultural fit. Indian developers are known for their adaptability and work ethic, but every team is different. Share your vision, work style, and expectations openly. Look for someone who's not just skilled, but also aligns with your team's dynamic and values. Whether it's flexibility, a strong sense of ownership, or an appetite of learning, find traits that resonate with your company's culture. Hiring front-end developers in India is about more than technical expertise. It's about finding someone who can bring your vision to life while being a collaborative and adaptable team member. With the right mix of skills, creativity, and communication, your product is sure to shine.
Are you looking to outsource your work? Our skilled virtual assistants are available from just $6 per hour. Click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. If you liked our video, hit the like button and share the video. You can subscribe to our channel for more such content.